From KETK, you're watching East Texas Live.
This next segment is sponsored by Sloan Law Firm. Welcome back. Azelway is the Sloan Law Firm's nonprofit of the month. Chester's here to tell us more about the organization. Thank you so much for being here, Chester.
Thank you. Thanks for having me, and thanks for the Sloan Law Firm for the encouragement.
Yes, sir. First, can you just tell us a little bit about your organization?
Yes. Azelway started in our Tyler rural area in 1979 when Bill and Dana Partridge moved from Fort Worth. They had been in a group home that got relocated when 820 came around, and so that's where the name Azel comes from. They were on Azel Avenue, and so they started the Boys Ranch at the time, thinking it would be a small program with just the two of them, and it's grown into a large, broad continuum of care program. I came to Azelway 30 years ago this year, so this is our 30th anniversary for our foster care program, and I came to start the foster care program. And so we have foster care offices in Tyler, Nacogdoches, Humble, and in Grand Prairie.
Yes, sir.
And then we also have a substance abuse program in Big Sandy that serves youth substance abuse program. And we have pantries in Grand Prairie, Humble, and in Tyler for the community.
Yes, sir. And what kind of services do y'all offer?
We have foster care and adoption services, and then we have residential services in our Tyler location. And those residential services are for those kids that have faced more extreme trauma and need a little more attention and have some more emotional issues than those in our foster homes.
Yes, sir. You know, I understand that there's a critical need for foster parents in East Texas. Can you tell me how, tell me what is involved in exploring this opportunity?
Sure. There is a critical need. We have a foster care shortage in East Texas, and what that means is that we have kids who are removed from their homes in East Texas and we don't have the families here, and so they may be going to the Houston area or somewhere, and so they're leaving their extended family, they're leaving the community that they have connections with. So we are actively recruiting foster parents, and if someone would like to consider that, they can go to our website, azelway.org, or they can, of course, give us a call. But we are actively seeking foster parents and caregivers for our residential program.
Yes, sir. And you've been with the company or the organization for 30 years. You know, how have you seen people's lives change through Azelway?
Yes. When you ask that question, how our lives changed, most of the time we talk about the kids. But I've been blessed, about 20 years before I came to Azelway 30 years ago, I've been blessed to see how it's enriched the lives of the staff, the foster parents, those that share their time and give of their resources to us. But for the kids to be able to look back and maybe see how they are in their families, how they are with their grandkids, or how they outreach to the community. We even have some of our past students who have been on our board of directors and have served in that way.
Yes, sir. And what does it mean to be the Sloan Law Firm's nonprofit of the month?
Well, it's just an encouragement. We have those that help us in so many ways, with funding, with being a board member, but just that kind of encouragement, that little boost, that prayer, that hope things are going well. It can be challenging, but very, very rewarding to be able to be involved in the lives of kids.
Yes, sir. Well, thank you so much for coming in and telling us all about your organization.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. For more information, you can go to the website right here on your screen. Remember, the previous segment was sponsored by Sloan Law Firm.